Okay, so this mobile home right here, 70 foot long, 14 foot wide, and it's full of junk. Has to be torn totally down to the frame and then put into one of these. Anything that's metal goes in the scrap pile, wood goes into the burn pile, and anything garbage, installation, stuff like that, all goes in that dumpster. There's the part that's down. Robbie's cutting up the rest of the roof. This is the next section of roof to come down and wall into that room. As soon as I get this next piece down, that'll be the halfway point. As you can see from that window, down there, right there is the end. So, it's coming along. So here's what's left of 66 by 14 mobile home. Getting ready to go ahead and push it over here. Still got debris and stuff we're dealing with, but it's all gone. This is like the third dumpster, and then we got a pile of burnables. All the wood out of this thing went into a burn pile. This is just some more junk that's got to go in the dumpster. So anyway, we're gonna get set up here and push this thing over. Be right back. All right, well, here it goes. You're gonna pull it down. Give it a little rock, and it'll go. It's swaying pretty good. All them little staples really hold pretty good. Come on, it'll go. It's loosening up now. It's creaking. It's gonna go any minute. Well, I might have to go put a little weight behind it. Alright, well, let me go knock some posts out here. Hold on. So we're going to go ahead and knock some of the wall studs out. Hit down low, right at the bottom. Come on, whack that thing with that hammer. There you go. That's fine. Go. Next one. Let's get some of these studs out of here, that way it'll make it less strong. I think we're going to have to do something else here. Okay, a little direction on which way to hit. There we go. Now they're coming loose. There we go. Now we're making progress. Now pull them out, straight out. You got a hammer. Okay, next one down the line. That one snapped off. It doesn't matter. Next one. Okay, next one. Go ahead and knock it loose. Oh, swing that sledgehammer, boy. There you go. Now pull it to the outside. There you go. All right, now watch out. I'm gonna pull it over. Okay, pay attention. There we go. Well, she don't want to give up. There we go. And that's how you get a house torn apart. So now we'll cut it up and get rid of everything. So anyway, guys, that's why I haven't been putting up any car videos lately. Been doing this for the last couple weeks. So as soon as this is through, back to the fun stuff. Thanks for watching. Make sure and hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And we'll see you in the next one.